2012 has been a big year for Donbass, full of many exciting international events. It's a football fever that has just calmed down, and here we have Expo Donbass Exhibition Center again, with people here speaking many different languages. From the 4th to the 7th of September, the International Specialized Exhibition Coal Mining 2012 took place here. This is the only coal forum in Ukraine and one of the largest in CIS countries and far abroad. The coal experts from 20 countries of the world gathered at this respectable forum. The exhibition was prepared with the support of the Ministry of Energy and Coal Industry of Ukraine and the Donetsk Regional Administration. The grand opening took place in the central area of Expo Donbass, featuring public officials, organizers and sponsors.
On behalf of the Minister, let me congratulate you with the opening of the 12th International Specialized Exhibition, Coal Mining 2012, and wish you successful and fruitful work. The International Specialized Exhibition Coal Mining 2012 has a great impact on the development of coal enterprises of our region and Ukraine on the whole. On behalf of the regional state administration, I'd like to welcome you to this wonderful site. It's our pleasure to hear that the 1983 minimum has been reached. Today, this exhibition has become the biggest one in our region by the number of companies and member countries. The results of teamwork of the Expo Donbass Exhibition Center and German company Messe Düsseldorf rose close to the record 1983 level. 30,000 square meters welcomed more than 500 participants from 20 countries. We have 10% gain in members compared to 2010 and 50% increase in the display area. Within 4 days, the amount of visitors exceeded the point of 20,000 people. Traditionally, a white businessman program was held during the exhibition. There was a total of 45 conferences, roundtables, seminars and presentations. I believe any facilitated workshop, not only coal exhibition, is extremely important. It is actually a snapshot of the industry developments. There is no better place to see what's here and now in the industry, to understand if there's a full participation. Here at the coal exhibitions, we have subcontractors. They all are fully engaged. It's easy to see how everyone looks like, what is the good and the bad, what is missing, where's competitive field. And I think you wouldn't find anything bigger and better than this. Coal exhibition is a true example of how it should be. If you noticed, there are many real-time samples that are working. It's not only boards and displays. Everything is real-time and everything is operating. So potential buyers, miners who come here can try what is more suitable for them. Of course, the price policy is very important here, but now we're taking only technical aspects. And technically, the more and the bigger you make the exhibition, the more versatile and complete, like we did at coal mining, the better. This exhibition is different than any other in more than 20 years of Ukraine's independence. It's the biggest in number of participants and countries involved, and in the territory taken. So this is a truly large-scale event that has already reached the level of 1983. Messe Düsseldorf, together with Expo Donbass, has been taking part in the setup of this exhibition for more than 30 years already. We are very glad to see the exhibition now to have become the most impressive in all the years of our partnership. Such cross-border forums are very future-oriented. They are important for economic, political and human relationships. The sponsors, both Ukrainian and foreign companies producing mining equipment, were active participants during the preparation and the exhibition. Their presentations had a lot of novelties. This year, we made the largest presentation at the exhibition. We presented a wide range of our modern decisions, a complex based on KDK 500 coal mining machine, which provides 11,000 tons load in the store per day, and stable work with at least 8,500 tons per day at the average. It is also a complex for low coal seams on the base of Ugol 400 coal mining machine, with capacity of 1 to 1.5 meter, which allows working with load of 3,000 tons at the average. We also presented many other concepts. For example, we introduced the rack-fed KSH-1 KGU. It's a mining complex which is much safer than the previous one, which had a chain feed. This modern solution allows boosting the efficiency of this complex. These concepts are based on available operational experience. That means remodeling our early products and designing completely new equipment. We have both kinds in our product portfolio, and 2012 is the year when we get our first results. 4 electric locomotives were presented today at the exhibition. 2 storage battery locomotives with the weight of 5 and 7 tons, and 2 trolley electric locomotives weighing 14 tons. Besides, the given locomotives have been already operated in the former USSR countries. Yet there are lots of improvements here. Controlling system, black boxes. We suggest the mines to use them because they allow recording of all the parameters that occur during the locomotive operation, with further data transfer to Overman's control panel. Besides, we offer new control systems, new controllers. These are new wireless controlling systems for both trolley locomotives and storage battery locos. This year, the exhibition, with every new exhibition, because it is held once in 2 years, it becomes larger and more interesting. This year, the participants presented themselves very well. The display stands were more interesting, with a lot of equipment. It's clear that the producers improve their products. For all the novelties, all the innovations are visible. Actually, it's a lot of interesting things going on here. "526 companies took part in the exhibition, presenting 20 countries of the world: Ukraine, Russia, Kazakhstan, Belarus, Germany, Czech Republic, China, Poland, Finland, Slovakia, Canada, Great Britain, Slovenia, Republic of South Africa, Cyprus, Sweden, Austria. The most representative, in terms of number and staff, were German producers.
My company is...
Thiele Company is the largest European producer of chains for the mining industry. This company was founded by my father more than 100 years ago, and today we continue to work and develop international connections. We've been working with Ukraine for more than 12 years, and we find these relations quite long-range. This year the exhibition is very interesting, and we, Germans, are always happy to have a chance to participate. My first visit to Ukraine was in 1990, in times of USSR. We come to this coal exhibition every 2 years, and today it's as big as it was at that time. Our company produces plow systems, which are used at low coal seams. This kind of equipment is used in many mines of Donbass. This is the 3rd time that the Saarland company is taking part in the exhibition. This year, the number of participants and customers is much greater than before. We're now in talks of opening our new office in Ukraine. The new upstream companies were also among foreign participants of the exhibition. Our firm is a Sunny company, the Chinese one. We now deal with all the heavy equipment, including the mining machines, and at the moment our brand has more than 70% of Chinese market. Last year we entered Ukraine, the Ukrainian market. We now supplied about 20 items of tunneling equipment. By the end of the year, I think we'll deliver one more cutter loader. I have to say the exhibition is very good. Many famous companies are taking part, especially local Ukrainian ones. The new concepts and samples were introduced in more than 20 specific sections, covering all the structure of the industry: searching, getting, cleaning, accessories, instruments, tools, electrical equipment. In 2011, Kharkov plant Svet Shakhtera celebrated 125 years. Traditionally, Kharkov machinery plant produces coal mining equipment, mostly conveyors and loaders for deep mining. Svet Shakhtera plant takes part in all the exhibitions being held in Expo Donbass, that is, every 2 years. We properly present our products at these exhibitions. People are interested in what we produce. The coal mining exhibition can be called the biggest one at the territory of Ukraine. I wish it was held every year, but what we can see here when we come to the exhibition here, every alternate year, is a result of what we've done in these 2 years, where we have moved, how we can compare to the foreign producers, and how we can cooperate and create our own national product, which could rival European and American products. It's the third time that we take part in these exhibitions, so it's not a new event for us. Here we present Siev firm. We're affiliated undertaking of the concern with headquarters in Germany. Siev is the world's largest producer of motor reducers. Motor reducer is the heart, the motion of any industrial equipment, from food production to mines and metallurgical works. It's the cranes, conveyors, tunneling machines and so on. Everything where you have motion, you have the products of our firm. We have the trading house Gal Підшипник. We distribute the bearings of the global producers in Ukraine. Apart from bearings, we also deal with the distribution of packers, industrial rubber, chains, various conveyor chains among others. We started to develop the new market, it's the end sealing, and it's the drive band. The exhibition is very large in the number of visitors. If you compare it to the previous one, it's even wider range of producers. We have already established many contacts. In whole, we have a success. The Science of Donbass special exposition caught much interest of the visitors. It presented the latest scientific achievements in the field of coal mining. The program of the exhibition included presentation of the companies involved, various topical workshops, international scientific and practical conference. The participants discussed vital problems of the industry and tentative solutions. High business activity was seen near almost every stand. Every day, thousands of people visited the exhibition. There is no doubt that such interest will make the future exhibitions very representative and eventful. Coal Mining 2012 is the largest exhibition in the past decades. It became a place where Ukrainian and foreign mining specialists met, where the new investment projects were born, where the coal mining industry of Ukraine was taking next step forward.
Veniamin Farberov has been heading the Expo Donbass Exhibition Center for about 30 years. During this time, he contributed much to the development of the exhibition activities, strengthening of the company, its organization structure, technical and workforce capacity. He also gained authority for the center. For his work, he was given numerous awards and honorary certificates. including a third-degree Order of Merit. Thanks to the efforts of the chief executive, more than 600 exhibition arrangements have been held with more than 6 million visitors.